In the last episode about the penguin, we used the so that construction. He enjoyed it so much that I am taking him again today. Very often, English people leave out the word that. We say simply, he enjoyed it so much, I am taking him again today. You may like a few more examples of so that. So let's go over to the next episode in our soap opera podcast People. Joanne, whom we met in the last episode, has two sisters, Leanne and Roxanne. Leanne is addicted to chocolate. She tells us about the terrible effect of her addiction.
Yesterday the doorbell rang just as I was leaving for work. It was the postman. He handed me a parcel. I was so surprised. At first I didn't know what to do. What could be in it? I became so curious I couldn't wait to open it. The parcel was wrapped tightly in paper and tape. In fact, there was so much paper and tape it took me nearly 10 minutes to unwrap it. Inside was a box of chocolates. It was so big I could hardly believe it. There were so many different sorts of chocolates I didn't know where to start. I picked a chocolate and ate it. It was so delicious. I had to eat another and another. I ate so many I started to feel ill. By the time I got to work, I was so late, my boss fired me. Chocolates are ruining my life.
Can Leanne conquer her terrible chocolate addiction? Will there be any chocolates left for me? More about Leanne and chocolate in a future episode. Goodbye.